Spyderco. Spyderco knives are known for their simplicity, their ergonomics, and their reliability. The Spyderco brand has been around for 38 years. It was founded in 1978. Just overall a fantastic knife manufacturer. The Spyderco knives are renowned throughout the EDC world as being some of the better knives out there. They can be a little bit pricey though, which enters the Byrd series and the Cara Cara 2. The Byrd series is a brand of Spyderco, which is made of high quality steel, high quality parts. They're designed by Spyderco, but they're made in China, which allows for them to produce a knife that is significantly cheaper than those that are made here in Golden, Colorado. Now, I know that a lot of people, they like American made. A lot of us people in the United States are very particular about our American pride, which I think that I think we're catching up to the fact that America is not the only company, or excuse me, is not the only country that can make good quality knives. And I've seen some knives, a lot of knives actually, from China that are competing with some of the higher end knives. And this is one of my newest budget EDC knives. This knife I picked up off of Amazon for just under $21. If you have Prime, you can get free shipping, so literally a $21 knife. And it is a fantastic knife. The handle here is the FRN handle. I didn't want the G10. I'm not a huge fan of the G10 handles. It's a fantastic little knife here. The pocket clips are interchangeable. You can have them in the standard tip down, tip up, or for you left-hand carriers, the tip down, up, and tip down. I really like this handle. I think it's better than the G10. I like that grip on it. It's got nice aggressive texturing if you like that, which I do in my pocket knives. The pocket clip is super sturdy. It is a lockback design, like most Spyderco knives are. The blade has the Byrd comet-shaped finger hole here, which, I mean, it's really not that much different than a regular Spyderco. As you can see, it is made of the, if I can get it in the picture here, 8CR13 MOV steel, good quality steel, again, made in China. So very good knife. I really like this knife. The overall open length is 8.5 inches. The closed length is 4 3/4 inches, so not quite 5 inches. It sits really well in the pocket with the pocket clip. It sits a little bit high. It's not a significantly deep carry, but I do like the way it sits. The blade length is 3 3/4 inch by 1/8 of an inch thick. You can see it's got some jimping here and a little bit here. The blade weighs about 5.6 ounces. It's not a super lightweight knife, but it is pretty lightweight. Stainless steel handle. It's an overall a great little knife here. Again, it's super cheap. It's not really something that you have to worry about as far as reliability, but also if for whatever reason you lose it or break it, it was $21. You know, I mean, come on, 21 bucks. Buy 2 or 3 of them. You know, it's not that big a deal. This blade is fantastic. I love this pocket knife. I want to start a series of videos geared towards the less expensive EDC blades. I think that the average Joe, if you will, is not going to be carrying around a $200, $300, $400, you know, up to $1,000 pocket knife every day. And so I want to incorporate that into my videos. I want to keep in mind that not all of us can or want to sit and save up that kind of money for a knife, and it would be nice to have some good options that are less expensive. So this knife, I think, it does the job. It does more than just the job. It's a good budget EDC everyday carry pocket knife. Just wanted to do a quick video on it. Again, I'll put the link in the description, and it is $21. I mean, that's a great deal on a Spyderco backed, inexpensive pocket knife. So that wraps up the video on the Byrd Cara Cara 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and comment if you have any questions, or you know, if you want to chime in, give me your suggestions actually down in the comment box. What is your favorite budget friendly EDC knife? I've got a couple more that I'm going to do, and like I said, I might actually do a series. I think I'm going to do a series on these. So be on the lookout for that. But again, if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment. And as always, please remember to subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all on the next one.